Blizzard time. Beautiful. Handy that it's a Sunday. Yeah. Why? A chairlift? Not handy, no. Not handy. You guys are just flattening down everything I gotta clear out.
I'm trying to ice it over, actually.
Yeah, you're packing it down. Very nice.
Yeah.
Let me get a close-up of this.
Yeah, Evan's talking about it look like a fashion plate.
Yeah, are you in there?
Kinda.
Oh my God.
And Evan looks like an egghead, okay?
Hey, egghead.
That means a dirty ice cream, egghead.
No, it's not dirty right now.
Well, it's got acid rain in it and all that.
It's got acid rain.
It doesn't have pee in it yet, but it has acid rain in it.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Jeez. Look at that. Well, it's still snowing.
We got work to do. He's just in here. We got to make our path. Yeah, just get the snow blower.
Yeah, I'll shovel some off. It's going to snow all afternoon, though.
Get the snow blower and make a path.
Hey, is anybody else out?
Yeah. Nobody's crazy enough. Oh yeah, there is somebody down there. They're plowing their driveway out. Somebody further down is plowing their driveway out. There's nobody trying to play like us.
Yeah. Maniacs. That's great. All right. We'll plow out a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
Are you ready?